Hi there, this is James from Mode Lighting, and in this quick video we're just going to go over importing and exporting your files from eDIN Plus. When you type in the IP address into a browser, you should be pulling up this page. To import a new file, if the MPU is new, you would go to Configuration, and then on this top bar here you would go for Import and then Import Configuration. You would then go and choose the file here and select your configuration file. It should end in .eDIN plus, and then hit open. The path name will appear and then hit import configuration. Then the system will load the saved version of the program. To do this in reverse, if you were at the end of your programming and you needed to take a backup from site, again, you would go to the configuration page and just go to the export section and export configuration. You can add in project notes and extra bits as you need in here and hit OK and then save the file. I hope that was useful. Please like and subscribe for more content.